We, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, political, and equality of status and opportunity. I adopt, enact, and give ourselves this Constitution.
January 26, 1950. India's constitution came into force, laying the foundation for the world's largest democracy. This Republic Day, Congress once again brought the constitution into sharp focus, reaffirming a narrative it first highlighted during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. During last year's general election campaign, Congress leaders championed a Save the Constitution message, making it a core part of their platform. The message resonated with voters and helped the Congress secure 99 seats in Lok Sabha. On Monday, as the nation celebrated its 77th Republic Day, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra reiterated this message. Rahul Gandhi described the Constitution as the greatest weapon for every Indian, emphasizing that protecting it means protecting the Indian Republic. Kharge, who unfurled the national flag at his official residence, stressed the need for all citizens to stand firmly in defense of the Constitution's principles and spirit. The Congress framed its Republic Day message around core constitutional values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, asserting that defending Samvidhan is essentially defending the Indian Republic. But this narrative is not without controversy. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party frequently criticizes the Congress, pointing to the emergency imposed in 1975 by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi.
आज से 50 साल पहले भारत के संविधान का गला घोंट दिया गया था, आपातकाल लगा दिया गया था, इमरजेंसी थोप दी गई थी। देश की किसी भी पीढ़ी ने संविधान की हत्या के इस पाप को कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए। संविधान की हत्या करने वाले पापियों को नहीं भूलना चाहिए।
Congress leader Vivek Tankha also weighed in on the celebration, pointing out that during the Republic Day parade, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi was seated in back row.
मुझे आश्चर्य भी लगा और खराब भी लगा। खड़गे साहब और राहुल जी का तो एक स्पेशल स्थान है पॉलिटिक्स में, देश की पॉलिटिक्स में, और उनको इस तरह से पीछे बैठा देना, ये आप उनका इंसल्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, आप एक प्रकार से देश की इंसल्ट कर रहे हो।
On Republic Day, the Constitution is celebrated as a symbol of India's democratic spirit. Samvidhan today remains both a legal foundation and a political narrative.